A keyboard replacement on a MacBook Pro is easily the hardest repair to do. If you want to make it easy on yourself, just bring it on into Experimac of Addison and we'll take good care of you. Replacing the keyboard on a MacBook Pro is easily one of the hardest
Can we
repairs.
stop talking?
Repairing a MacBook.
Look into here. This is the camera.
Okay.
Watch into the light.
Repairing a MacBook Pro is easily one of the most. No.
You want the best possible product at the lowest price, and Experimac can help you do just that. Don't pay more. Experimac saves you time and money.